Alright, ma'am. May I have your reservation or confirmation number?
Well, I have a reservation under the name of Giselle Alisa.
Okay, ma'am. Let's just wait for a minute.
Sure.
Okay, ma'am. So, could you provide me with your contact information, such as an email or contact number?
Okay, here it is.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, so could you please fill out this form, ma'am, so that we will be able to assess you your statement. Okay, ma'am, thank you. So, based on our availability here, ma'am, we have assigned you in the deluxe room on the 5th floor, room number 303. So, if there's anything specific you would like to change out of anything, we can do for you